Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get ice skater dress on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get ice skater dress, you need to redeem a code. And first of all, you can click on this code menu and then you can follow the code I want to enter here. You just need to type in Umo Yay like this, and then you can click on redeem. Okay, and this is the ice skater dress you can use. It's so cool, right? And I'm going to click to close. And if you want to use this dress, we just need to go to the dressing room. Wait, I'm going to take the money. Okay, we can go to the dressing room here. Okay, I'm heading to the dressing room, and then we're going to click on the codes and then apply the size skater dress. Okay, and you'll be able to change the color or the palette. I'm just going to change it to light blue. Okay, you can customize it as you like. I'm just going to make them all light blue. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get ice skater dress on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!